What is recruitment? Simple explanation for beginners. Have you ever wondered how companies find the right employees for jobs? Why some people get selected quickly while others struggle for months? The answer is simple. It is called recruitment. Today, I will explain what recruitment really means in a very simple way. Recruitment is the process of finding, attracting, and selecting the right candidates for a job role in a company. In easy words, companies need employees. Recruitment is how they hire those employees. It is like matching the right person to the right job. Let's understand recruitment step by step. 1. Job requirement. First, a company understands what kind of employee they need. For example, software developer, HR executive, sales manager. 2. Sourcing candidates. Then recruiters search for candidates using job portals like Naukri, LinkedIn. Referrals, walk-in interviews, consultants. This step is called sourcing. 3. Screening resumes. Next, recruiters check resumes. They look for skills, experience, education, keywords matching job role. Only shortlisted candidates move forward. 4. Interview process. Shortlisted candidates go through interviews. HR round, technical round, final round. This helps company understand the candidate better. 5. Selection and offer. Finally, the best candidate is selected and gets offer letter, salary details, joining date, and the recruitment process is completed. Importance. Recruitment is very important because it helps companies hire the right talent. It saves time and cost. It builds strong teams. It improves company growth. Without recruitment, companies cannot function properly. So in simple terms, recruitment is the bridge between a job seeker and a company. If you are looking for a job or working in HR, understanding recruitment is very important. If you liked this explanation, subscribe for more HR and career tips.